Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this classic shape of pasta from Italy. Those are an elongated form of cavatelli and hand-rolled pasta, typical of the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy as well as Tuscany, Marche and Umbria. We are looking at how to pronounce Strozzapreti. Strozzapreti is how it would be said in Italian. Strozzapreti, but it'd be fine in English to call them Strozzapreti. Strozzapreti Pasta variety. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce the names of all of the classic shapes of pasta from Italy that we love, as well as the names of the classic recipes, traditional recipes from Italy and Italian cuisine that are just absolutely delicious and that you want to hear and nail the pronunciation of course. See you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.